Hello. This video is going to look at the appointment functionality within System 1. So we're going to have a quick overview of how to book an appointment, how to manage an appointment once it's been booked, and also how to cancel one. So first of all, navigate to your preferred appointment screen. I'm using the appointment ledger. Once I have found a free slot I want to book into, I can right click on this and I get an option here to book appointment. I search for the patient's name and double click or hit OK. So this is now my booking appointment dialog. On the right hand side, I get some information that might be useful for when I'm booking the appointment. So for instance, any future appointments the patient already might have. This drop down here allows me to change the duration if appropriate, and this box here allows me to add any details. In terms of communicating the appointment details with the patient, I can either get the system to send an SMS message, or perhaps print out a label, or an appointment letter. Clicking OK will confirm this and book the appointment in. Now if I right click on a booked appointment, I get different options. So some that might be useful, for instance, are starting a consultation from this appointment or perhaps viewing the record. I can also do things like marking the appointment as arrived, or perhaps amending the appointment. So maybe I want to add some more details about why this appointment is happening. Some other useful options might be sending a text message reminder about this appointment, or perhaps marking that the patient did not attend this appointment. Okay, so what about cancelling an appointment? So if I right click again and navigate to administration, I get different options for why the appointment might be cancelled. Selecting this then gives me an option to rebook it. If I click don't rebook, the appointment has been cancelled. If I did choose to rebook a cancelled appointment, it then holds the appointment in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. I can then navigate to a different day, right click, select that I want to move it to here, fill in any extra details as appropriate and click OK. It might be worth watching some of our more detailed videos about appointments if you have more questions. Thank you for watching.